Okay. I'm cooking karaage chicken, which is a Japanese style of fried chicken. Already marinated one overnight. This is the flour, it's a piece by piece. And then I'm using 2 different temperature of the oil. It's better 2 times cooking, okay? Then 2 times. Makes crispy outside, juicy inside. My flavor of my sauces, soy sauce, garlic, sake, and cayenne pepper. Not too spicy. I'm going to use this one for toasting after karaage finished. Now using my spicy garlic soy sauce. It's very good. Very delicious for, of course, fried chicken and then rice and a variety of protein and vegetables. Then I made garnish. This is a scallion for the green, right? And then this is a ginger. Thank you very much. This is a fried chicken karaage with Yume is dream Morimoto spicy garlic soy sauce.